Singapore will introduce a new quality brand mark from November, and that is to further market its products internationally. Trade and Industry Minister Chun says it will start with the F&B industry before including other consumer lifestyle sectors like beauty and wellness and homeware and decor. Chloe Chu reports.
Food security has been a critical issue for many countries, especially since the coronavirus struck. And Singapore is taking this opportunity to enhance its brand mark globally by tapping on the growing food manufacturing industry to boost the country's economy. Speaking at a company visit to food manufacturer KH Roberts, Trade and Industry Minister Chun, who was accompanied by Manpower Minister Josephine Teo, noted that the food manufacturing industry has grown consistently in pre-COVID times. It recorded a compounded annual growth of about 6.45% between 2013 and 2018. And while the sector has seen its share of supply chain challenges amid the pandemic, Mr. Chan says it seems to be continuing its growth trajectory.
In the next lap of our economic growth, we expect the food manufacturing industry to be one key pillar of this more diversified portfolio of growth sectors in Singapore. We are doing this because there's a growing market in Asia for high quality food, for sustainable food. As we grow this sector, we will also be better able to meet the domestic needs for food security and the resilience of our supply chain.
Mr. Chan says a focus on quality will be a key differentiation for Singapore products in the food industry and allow them to command a premium in the international market. And it's not just about selling more products overseas, but creating jobs too.
The demand for good quality food comes with other higher demands. So in the past it was about quality, now it's also about assurance and also about the supply chain resilience. So all this will play to Singapore's strength, and we think that there's a bright future for this industry to create many more jobs for our people. And to meet the growing demands for this, the industry has also been expanding its employment and creating new jobs for Singaporeans.
And another way Singapore can play a key role globally, says Mr. Chan, is through upstream research and development efforts, such as the push for agri-tech development and collaborations with companies and institutes of higher learning. KH Roberts Chief Executive Peter Ong says the company had set up an industrial laboratory with the Singapore Institute of Technology last year, which gave students hands-on experience on various equipment.
Basically, the idea was for the hosting of a couple of equipments at our pilot plant, and students to have real experience together with our technicians, our lab technicians, our scientists.
The move not only benefits students but the company too, as it works on industry-type projects for potential customers.